A sauna on wheels is a dream, and I wanted one too. And that's when everything went to hell. At first it was pure bliss. We steamed and relaxed. Then everything went off plan. And now we're done for. Wow, I'm freaking exhausted, Pasha.
Don't even mention it.
I hate cleaning. Let's take a break. We deserve it.
Hey, that's an awesome idea. Let's do it.
You know what I suggest? Let's go relax at the spa. They have thermal baths, saunas. We can get a massage, jacuzzi, and even try the cryo sauna. In short, it's just awesome there, and we can also have some tea.
Oh, great, Via. And how much does it cost?
Well, let's take a look. Oh, it's just $5,500 an hour. Let's book it for 2 hours. That should be enough.
5,500? Well, just a second. Hold on. You know, this is crap.
What is it?
I'd rather go for a swim in the river.
Are you serious? Are you out of your mind? It's autumn now. It's cold. What river are you talking about, huh?
So what? You know how good it feels after the sauna?
Yeah, that's a great idea, but where will we find a sauna by a river?
We need a sauna on wheels.
Wow, that's a brilliant idea.
A sauna on wheels by the river. So shall we go and set up a sauna on wheels? Yeah. Oh, nice. Beautiful.
The stove is ready. A sauna isn't complete without one.
Oh, this is so nice. Oh, that's it. I'm buying it. Damn. Yeah, why bother with the small stuff? I'll take the most powerful one.
The pipe is in place. Well, that's it. My sauna on wheels is ready.
I also bought a sauna and we'll pick it up. Pasha?
Via?
What?
What a meeting.
Did you also buy a sauna on wheels?
What do you mean, bought? I built it myself with my own hands.
Yourself?
Yes.
Wait, you call this a sauna on wheels? This ugly piece of junk? I'm not afraid to say it.
Watch your mouth, you hear me?
Wait, no, seriously, look at this car. Look, it doesn't even have some of the parts. It's falling apart and rotten. What's wrong with the pipe? The bathhouse looks awful, to say the least.
But you know what? It's economical and much better than yours. Do you know how many flaws this bathhouse has? It's heavy and made of wood, so it'll rot soon. You also need an expensive diesel car to tow this bathhouse. But I have both, a bathhouse and a car, 2 in 1.
This is complete nonsense. Anyway, stop with your broom of revenge. Let's go to the river, like we planned. Let's test our saunas and see whose is better.
Did you bring spare underwear?
Swim trunks, yes.
And I'll go without. Oh, well, that's actually really nice. It's a bit windy though, but that's okay. Overall, it's good. The sun's still shining. The car's awesome. I wish everyone had one. Wow, that's awesome. And where's he going?
Wait, the navigator isn't guiding me that way. What's going on? Where are you going?
Oops. Well, let me turn in here.
Pasha? Huh? Where are you good? Did my global positioning system take me the wrong way?
No, look, you can take a shortcut here. It's totally fine.
Look, it's all off-road and bumps here. There's no way I can get through with my barrel sauna.
What, are you scared?
Are you crazy? I'm not going in there.
Why?
Should I take the highway?
Well, then go ahead.
Are you seriously going to drive here?
Of course.
No!
Chicken, come on.
No, I'm taking the highway. There's no way I can get through here. Just look at this road. I can't get through. It's just insane. No, I'm turning around and taking the highway. There's just no other option. Unbelievable. Well, let that Pashka idiot drive however he wants. I'm taking the highway carefully, at a reasonable speed.
Yeah, even a truck is passing you?
Because I'm like a truck myself. A heavyweight. What's the most important thing on the road?
Safety.
Exactly, and I'm driving safely. Because if that thing behind me flips over, the car will flip, we'll flip, and that's it. That's how it'll be for everyone.
Oh, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, I'm scared.
Look, there's only one turn left and we'll be at the river. There's just a little bit left to go. Just like that, we carefully change lanes and everything is fine.
Well, that's it, I guess. We've arrived. Oh, a river! And where is that? Where is it? Huh? Wow, what a river. And what an awesome beach. I feel like I'm really going to enjoy myself today.
No way, Pavel Shelby's already here, crazy. Well, it's okay. At least my sauna is twice as big as his old wreck, and probably better looking too. Let subscribers comment. Why is he staring? Crazy guy.
Finally, what took you so long?
Ha, listen. My sauna is about 3 times bigger than yours.
But mine is better.
Why is yours better?
The sauna gets hot and warms you, but yours could make you freeze.
I can't agree with that. You know, I'll fire up my sauna right now and it'll be perfect. Definitely better than yours.
Want to bet it won't?
Of course, it's a bet. We made one a while ago. Let's heat things up and see who wins. Welcome to my fully equipped bathhouse, friends. That's how it's done. Snip, snip, beautiful.
He's showing off over there. Yeah, look. Oh, and there's a step right away. Here it is. And that's it. You're in the bathhouse.
Everything is as it should be. We take off our shoes and enter the anteroom. We just need to sort out the electricity. How can you use the bathhouse without lights?
Why do we need this anteroom? You just go in, enjoy yourself, then straight to the river, right?
This goes here and that goes there. Powered by a battery. Because the sauna is on wheels, it should be able to charge anywhere, however you want, just like that. Barrels of water for washing and pouring over yourself.
But why wash in the sauna at all? There's a river for that done.
Oak and pine bath brooms.
Yeah, and my bath brooms are going to be even better now. They're already dried. Done, though they're not oak or birch.
I'm not sure what kind it is, but you can use it for steaming.
And there it is, the log holder. Look at that firewood. Beautiful. Everything's already chopped. Everything's already loaded. Just the way it should be. There's even kindling. Beautiful.
I've got everything prepared too. I could just tear off pieces of the sauna and throw them in, but I've already got a load ready, a load of firewood. And what did you think I meant?
Well, let's finally take a look inside the steam room itself. Oh, guys, beautiful, man. You can even lie down here like this, stretched out, and higher up if you want to sit. Oh, how beautiful. And do you know what this thing is for? You can pour oil in here, put it on the stones like this, and it will smell nice here, just like that. Beautiful.
The most important thing is knowing how to heat up the banya. Via doesn't know how to do it. Now I'll show you how to do it right.
You should never drink from the stove like this without water.
We take out the stub. The burner, a bit of gas, we light it. We throw it inside right here, and we add a bit more gas. That's it. Dry branches and leaves burn easily. The sauna will heat up quickly. If the firewood starts to fall out, it's no big deal, just push it back in. Well, if you need to heat up the sauna really fast and you're in a hurry, then do it like this.
Well, it looks like our saunas are heated up, so we can change and start steaming. The sauna's ready. See how spacious it is? Plenty of room for you. I think I could fit my whole team in here to steam. 6 of us, 5, yeah, even 10 if we really wanted to. If you use standing room, you can fit in here.
I don't know, it's really hot. The temperature is about, well, 100 degrees at least.
Whoa, it's already 70 degrees. I don't believe it's 100, but that's actually a lot. So 70 degrees is the optimal temperature to really enjoy being in the sauna. By the way, speaking of steam, let's steam the broom.
Oh, ow! Oh, the broom! That's it, I dried it a little. A piece of wood fell out here. Oh, let's do it again. All right, it's done.
Hot water.
Why do you need to steam the broom? You just need to wet it a little, that's all.
As a true Russian, I like to have some tea after the sauna, especially herbal tea. You know, just to really enjoy it, right?
Kvass is better, what are you talking about?
Kvass is good, but it depends on your mood. In summer, kvass is great. In winter, after the sauna, hot tea is perfect. Tell us in the comments what drinks you prefer in the sauna. Which is better, tea, kvass, or something else?
Oh man, I let a bit of steam out. Well, it's okay. It was still around 120 to 140 degrees in there anyway. That's it, I soaked it. Now to steam.
All right, that's enough. Stop acting like kids. Oh, no, that's nice. That's good, guys. Oh, awesome.
The brooms are steamed with vapor, so you need to drip water on the stove, and that's how you steam them with the vapor. That's it. But it takes so long, you can speed up the process. And you can steam it at higher temperatures. The most important thing is to make sure it doesn't catch fire.
Oh, wow. Here we go, friends.
That's good. Oh, it's hot. That's good. I'm just missing a little beer. I'd love a light one right now. And you, write in the comments, what kind of beer do you like?
Now that's what I call it. This is real relaxation. It's so hot and so awesome. Oh, now that's a sauna. Oh, wow.
How lucky we are that the water is still warm.
It's warm. The water is warm too. I could cool off, but I also wouldn't mind warming up more.
It's still warm. Where are you going?
To the banya, to the banya.
Loshara. Does your banya even heat up at all?
Yeah, why? I probably just didn't steam it enough.
And I warmed up so well that I even wanted to go for a swim.
Pashka, you're a beast. Your sauna gets even hotter. That's awesome.
Of course, come on, get back up.
No, I can't handle it. I can't handle it.
Sea waves, sea breeze, surf.
Are you really not cold at all?
No, Via, not at all. What does that mean?
What?
Is my sauna better than yours?
I don't know. Maybe that's true. You really warmed up pretty well.
There you go. By the way, it's also safer.
I don't know. It's nonsense. Let's get ready and go. We still have things to do today.
We need to work. Let's go.
Let's go. That's it. Enough talking. Let's go. Now again, damn, I have to haul these 1.5 tons at a turtle's pace. The check engine light is on. Damn!
I wanted to drive shirtless, but I remembered that the laws are strict. You can't drive without a t-shirt. It distracts other drivers. They think I'm a woman. VIA will take another 2 hours to get to the base now, but I'll get there in no time. And I won't have any problems with that at all, but it smells like something's burning, right? What? Damn, what should I do? Bathhouse, 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 bathhouse.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, Pash.
The sauna is on fire.
What?
Fire.
Fire? What do you mean?
I have a fire.
What do you mean, a fire?
Go to hell.
Got it.
The bathhouse is on fire. I'm telling you, come over and help.
I'll help you. I'll unhook the bathhouse now. I'll unhook the bathhouse now, Pashka, and save you. Come on. I'll be quick. I'll be quick. Pavel Shelby. What? Pavel.
Help! Help! Wait! Save my bathhouse.
What? I'll take the shovel.
Dig!
What are you doing? Who should I dig for?
Close it. We PRST. Damn! Everything's burning and ruined.
It's definitely hot in there now. Jump in and warm up. The sauna's working well.
With a blanket. You need a blanket.
I have a blanket in the Passwiener.
Shovel.
Hey!
It'll burn, idiot!
No, that's how my grandpa taught me. Well, that's it. It's gone. I have a fire extinguisher. The fire extinguisher is in the Passwiener. Okay.
It's small. It won't help. You saved my banya?
Yeah, that's enough, Pasha. Why are you digging?
Leave me alone. I need to save my banya.
What are you trying to save, bro? It's totally burned down.
Step aside. Don't get in my way.
Listen, Posh, that's it. Don't worry. It burned down, so what? Are you really that upset?
Damn, how?
Listen, actually, I have an option.
Well, all your options are expensive.
Yeah, no, for sure. I can hook your, that van of yours, the one with the mobile sauna, to a tow rope right now, and we'll take it to a place where they'll fix it. They'll get everything sorted out with it. They'll restore it, so to speak.
Is it a good place?
The restoration will be like this.
Damn, thank you.
Come on, bro, that's it. Let's hook up and go.
Cool?
Everything will be perfect. The sauna will be like new. Well, guys, were you worried that we were ruining the car there? No, we're restoring it. We're going to take this little thing for restoration now. Hey, be careful, my friend. Ta 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 ta. All right, let's go already. It's time to restore the little thing, the little one. I'm sure my guys are real masters of their craft. They'll restore everything the right way. Yeah, just close that damn door already. Can we go properly now? Here, guys, look, I drove the car onto the STO. Well, it's like a lift, only the other way around. Let's check its weight. Oh, there aren't any scales. We don't need to weigh it. We need to restore it. So let's take it to our service technician. There he is, already standing, sitting on the repair bench, on the restorer for Percy. Well, you know, there was nowhere to wash in Pavel Shelby's bathhouse. Now at least there will be a bathtub. That's some solid restoration. Even the headlights didn't break. Careful, eco-friendly, everything worked out for us today. The headlights are intact, we can still sell them. The engine, well, not so much. The engine and carburetor are already a bit bent. The door, though, it's just perfect. Well, all right. That's it. Shelby's bathhouse is done. Which one was better? You'll draw your own conclusions. Share your version in the comments. I always mark the brightest and funniest comments with hearts. I really like that you write your comments. And I love it when you subscribe. Because there are already 4.5 million of us subscribers. If we reach 5 million subscribers by New Year's, that will be the best New Year's gift you could give me. I will be the happiest. That's it. This was me, Vyacheslav Ismailov, or Zivaye, Pavel Shelby, and my big filming crew, Zizenvia. Hope you love our content. Subscribe, like, and enjoy. Bye.